Hey, what's going on? You know who it is. It is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan Hotels. They were talking about how to sign up loyalty reward members. Let's go.
It was prophesied that another Jordan will be born who will be greater than Michael Jordan, but he won't be the MJ of basketball. He will be the MJ of hotels.
Prophecy fulfilled. This episode was brought to you by the Hotel Revenue Bible, the #1 hotel revenue book that has ever been written. It includes revenue management, digital ads, social media marketing, sales, catering, F&B, and more. Grab your copy today at hotelrevenuebible.com.
Listen, in today's day and age, it's all about the loyalty and the members and the sign up. These franchises will feed you to death if you don't sign up enough people. What I don't understand is that at one point in time, they had 0 members and then you needed to sign up 20 people. Now they have 200 million members and you still need to sign up 20 people. Like, where the hell am I going to get these people from? I'm going to go to my kids' daycare and say, give me your email address. I got to sign up these 20 people or they're going to penalize the hell out of me. Like, I'm going to go to the nursing home. Like, give me your email address. I gotta sign up these 20 people before they penalize me. Like, come on, man. Like, you guys gotta start lowering these numbers or at least get rid of the penalties. Another thing that drives me crazy is that they have all the information. The franchise has like all the information in the system. They have the email address, they have the telephone number. Like, why don't you sign them up? Why are you making it our job to sign them up? Why don't you sign them up? Because it's just a big racket. But we're going to talk about the 3 things that you could do to sign up more members. Number 1, you can offer a free upgrade. And when I say free upgrade, I don't mean the penthouse suite. I don't mean the best room in the house. Your hotel should have separate levels, a level 1, a level 2, level 3, sometimes 4 or 5. Depending on your property and how many rooms you have. That particular room type is classified as an upgrade from their standard or basic room. You offer that upgrade if they sign up. Let them know they get a free upgrade to this room type. Usually that works. Number 2 is going to be free parking or discounted parking. This one works very well if you charge for parking. You let the guests know if you sign up this one time, you get the first night free for parking, or you get a discounted parking rate, and that usually works. And they usually sign up because nobody wants to pay for parking, especially in Chicago or New York. And of course, we have number 3. This one works very well because it really doesn't cost you much. You can offer a drink voucher or a gift card to a third-party vendor. The drink voucher works very well because you want to get them to the bar anyway. So if they sign up and get a free drink voucher, they're going exactly where you want them to go because you never could have just one. And number 2 is third-party gift cards. A lot of F&B vendors, a lot of food vendors, a lot of restaurants inside the area, they need more business. What I usually do is I reach out to those vendors and say, hey, you give me some gift cards so I can hand them out and send them your way. So they'll give you a $5 gift card or a $10 gift card. That usually works very well because they'll give you the gift card so they can get the business in the door. And of course, maybe they will buy other things besides just something that costs $5 or $10. So those are the 3 things that work very well. But me, myself, I am boycotting all loyalty rewards program because I believe it's, I don't think it's an ethical practice, especially when you're dealing with points. You have some franchises that they charge a small percentage. That makes more sense, but there's no minimum. Like, you have to sign up a minimum of 1 million people and we won't penalize you $10 billion. You know, that I think that is a touchy subject. And I just don't think that's ethical because the numbers never change. Like, if I have 1 member when the program starts and I have 200 million members, like, where the hell am I going to get these other members from? You already have 200. The population is 300. 1/3 of the population are children that can't even sign up. So I feel like that's a catch-22. It's like, I got you, and I'm going to keep getting you as long as until you do something about it. You can't sue them, and because a lot of franchise agreements do not allow you to sue them they have like mandatory arbitration. But the best thing that you can do, especially feel like that you're being, I can't say robbed, and I can't say conned or scammed, but if you feel like you're being taken advantage of, the best thing you can do is file a complaint with the Federal Trade Commission. I feel like if more hotels start filing these complaints, they'll stop the games. They'll stop the games, like when they're putting you they're putting you inside of an escape room. They'll stop the escape room games and do it themselves. Sign them up themselves. You know, I bet you they couldn't even sign up 20 people for your hotel by themselves, but they want you to do it. So that's my time. Thank you for watching the episode. This is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan Hotel, signing out.
Hey, what's going on? It's Bruce Jordan, the Hotel Revenue Expert. I just want to take a quick second to thank you for watching this video. If you could just do us a big favor and just subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more videos like this, more information, great information about hotels. I'm also the author of the Hotel Revenue Bible. You can get that book on hotelrevenuebible.com. And we are here to answer all your questions. So if you have any questions, just shoot us a quick text at 321-321-2002. That's 321-321-2002. And you can book a revenue call. Go to hotelrevenuecall.com and we can answer any and all your questions. Just make an appointment with me. You'll do one-on-one with me. You'll be able to do one-on-one with me, and we could go ahead and get all your questions answered and see if you have any revenue issues that needs to be resolved. Talk to you soon. Thank you again. Hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate you.